I got Army Navy. Ordered one steak burrito. It cost me 310 pesos. Comes with the burrito, garlic aioli, salsa, lime, and a wooden scoop. Has steak, rice, beans, and of course the vegetables. Out of my eye! The steak is chewy. Dip the sauce, the salsa. Ooh. Woo! Everything's falling apart. Just bite into it. The steak is really chewy. I think I can do this in one bite. Really hard to chew. Steak burrito is kind of mid for me. Okay guys,